how to switch from T-Mobile into AT&T. Now, in this video, I'll provide you additional information from switching into T-Mobile into AT&T. Now, there's going to be a lot of options here possible. Switching from T-Mobile to AT&T requires an unlocked compatible phone or a T-Mobile account number and a number transfer PIN. Now, if you're going to be bringing the same device or the same phone that you have from T-Mobile and bring it over into AT&T, then of course you need the device to be unlocked first. It will be unlocked by T-Mobile. This is usually requires the device to be fully paid off. Now you need to get boarding information on your T-Mobile's end, obtaining your account number and a number transfer PIN and verify compatibility. Once you have all those necessary documents or information about the device that you're using, then you can head straight into AT&T's official site and check for your phone plans, internet, or any prepaid subscription available from here. Now, in here, you just need to choose the specific plan first before you're porting in or transferring it over into um, AT&T before the switch is going to be made possible. So this is actually the option or feature that was actually talking about earlier, which is going to be bring your own. So um, to sum it up, if you would like to use the same mobile device that you're using from T-Mobile, then you just need to get the phone unlocked first. And that is how you switch from T-Mobile into AT&T.